Welcome. This video is about 5 day AS level pure mathematics for day 3. We have done it on day 1 and 2. Now day 3. Question number 11. Point A is given, point B is given as such that where A and B are constants, the gradient of AB is 2. So what is the gradient of AB? B minus 1 by A plus 1. This was minus equals to 2. So B minus 1 equals to 2A plus 2. So 2A plus 3 equals to B. B is 10 comma minus 1 is the third point. AP is equal to AB. Calculate the coordinates. So first of all, I'll find AB square, which is going to be 10 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, which is going to be nothing but what? 11 square plus 2 square, which is 125. Then I'm going to find it out AP. AP is nothing but what? AP square is A plus 1 whole square plus B minus 1 whole square. But both are equal. So A plus 1 whole square plus B minus 1 whole square equals to 125. So A plus 1 whole square plus what is B? B is 2A plus 3. 2A plus 3 minus 1 whole square equals to 125. So A plus 1 whole square plus 2A plus 2 whole square equals to 125. So I'll be getting a quadratic over here. So it becomes A square plus 2A plus 1 plus 4A square plus 8A plus 4 equals to 125. So it becomes 5A square plus 10A minus 120 equals to 0. A square plus 2A minus 24 equals to 0. A minus 4 times A plus 6 equals to 0. So A equals to 4, A equals to negative 6. But B is 2A plus 3. So B value will be now 11 and B value will be minus 9. That's going to be the answer. Coming to question number 12. The points A and B are given and the curve this one show that the perpendicular bisectors for AB. So what am I going to do? First of all, I am going to find midpoint of AB, which is 1 plus 5 by 2 comma 1 plus 9 by 2, which is going to be 3 comma 5. Then I am going to find gradient of AB, 9 minus 1 by 5 minus 1, which is 2. So perpendicular gradient is going to be nothing but what? Minus 1 by 2. So the equation will be y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by 2 times x minus x1. So I'll be getting 2y equals to 13 minus x. Then the perpendicular bisector of AB meets the curve at C and D. I'll find by calculation the distance between C and D. So the curve equation is given 2y equals to 13 minus x. So substitute over here. 6y equals to 5x square. We got 6y equals to 5x square minus 18x plus 19. 6y means nothing but what? 3 times of 2y equals to 5x square minus 18x plus 19. But 2y equals to 13x. So 13 minus x equals to 5x square minus 18x plus 19. Now what do I get from here? I'm directly writing 5x square minus 15x minus 20 equals to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So x minus 4 times x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 4, x equals to negative 1. Now, but 2y equals to 3x minus 13 minus x. So 2y equals to 9, y equals to 9 by 2. 2y equals to 14, y equals to 7. So the points are 4 comma 9 by 2 or minus 1 comma 7. Now the distance between them will be 4 plus 1 whole square and 9 by 2 minus 7 whole square, which is going to be 25 plus this is 50, 14, 5, 25 by 2, 25 by 4, which is square root of 125 by 4. Question number 13. The diagram shows the kite OABC in which AC is the line of symmetry. The coordinates of A and C are 0, 4, 8, 0 respectively. Find the equation of AC and OB. So AC, gradient of AC is going to be 0 minus 4 by 8 minus 0 minus 1 by 2. So equation will be y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by 2 times x minus x1. So y equals to negative half x plus 4 is going to be the equation of AC. Now equation of OB. What is B now? We need to know the value of B. So gradient of AC is being given. So gradient of OB is going to be nothing but what? 2 because it is perpendicular and it is passing through 0, 0. So equation of OB will be equals to y minus y1 equals to 2 times x minus x1. So y equals to 2x. Find by calculation the coordinates of B. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do the simultaneous equations for these both. So negative half x plus 4 equals to 2x. So 5x by 2 equals to 4, x equals to 8 upon 5, which is 1.6. So, but y equals to 2x. So y equals to 2 times of 1.6, which is nothing but what? 3.2. So the midpoint is 1.6 comma 3.2. Midpoint is M. Now what will be the other end of the, now I got it out over here. So let B is H comma K. Then the two lines or the two diagonals will intersect at the midpoint, which is 1.6 comma 3 comma 2, 3.2. Now I need to calculate the values of H and K. So this one, we know that because it is a kite, OA should be equals to AB. OA should be equals to AB. OA should be equals to AB. OA is nothing but what? Square root of 0 square plus 4 square. 0 square plus 4 square should be equal to square root of AB. H square plus K minus 4 whole square. H square plus K minus 4 whole square. So 16 equals to H square plus K square minus 8K plus 16. 16, 16 gets cancels. So I get one equation, H square plus K square minus 8K equals to 0. Next, OC should be equals to, we know that OC should be equals to BC. In that way, we need not find the midpoint. That will be the easiest way. OC should be equals to BC. OC should be equals to BC. OC again square root of 0 square plus 8 square equals to BC is nothing but what? B to C. 8 minus H whole square plus K square. 8 minus H whole square plus K square. So this will become 64 equals to 64 minus 16H plus H square plus K square. 64, 64 gets cancelled. H square plus K square minus 16H equals to 0. So from here, I got it out these two conditions. Now, if at all I try to solve it out, these two conditions, what I'll be able to get that one is H square plus K square minus 8K equals to 0. H square plus K square minus 16H equals to 0. If I subtract both, h square k square gets cancels. 16h minus 8k equals to 0. 16h equals to 8k. So k equals to 2h. The relationship between k and h is k equals to 2h. That is one condition. I got it. K is 2h. So what am I going to do? I am going to plug in k equals to 2h over here. So h square plus 4h square minus 8 times 2h equals to 0. 5h square minus 16h equals to 0. So 5h equals to 16, h equals to 3.2. If h equals to 3.2, k equals to 6.4. So the point B is 3.2, 6.4. Question number 14. The coordinates A and B are given where k is. Find and simplify the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is 3k plus 5 minus k minus 3 by k plus 3 plus 3k plus 1. So which is going to be 2k plus 2 divided by 4k plus 4, which is going to be 1 upon 2. Find and simplify the equation of perpendicular bisector for AB. So I am going to find it out. Midpoint of AB. I am going to find midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB, which is going to be minus 3k minus 1 minus 3k minus 1 plus k plus 3 by 2 comma k plus 3 plus 3k plus 5 by 2, which is going to be minus 2k plus 2 by 2 comma 4k plus 8 by 2, which is going to be minus k plus 1 comma 2k plus 4. That's going to be the midpoint. Now what will be the perpendicular gradient? Perpendicular gradient is minus 2. So the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So what does it becomes? Y equals to minus 2x minus 2k plus 2 minus plus 2k plus 4. So it becomes y equals to minus 2x plus 6. That's going to be the equation of the perpendicular bisector. And coming to the last question, the points A and B have a coordinates h, h, 4h plus 6, 5h. The equation of the perpendicular bisector is 3x plus 2y equals to k. Find the values of h and k. So 3x plus 2y equals to k, 2y equals to minus 3x plus k, y equals to minus 3 by 2x plus k by 2. So the gradient of the perpendicular is minus 3 by 2. So the gradient of AB is going to be 2 by 3. So gradient of AB formula is going to be 5h minus h upon 4h plus 6 minus h, which is 4h upon 3h plus 6 should be equals to 2 by 3. So 12h equals to 6h plus 12, 6h equals to 12, h equals to 2. I got the value of h. Find the values of h and k. Now we need to get the value of k also. So I got the value of h. Now once I got the value of h, now midpoint of AB. What is midpoint of AB? H plus 4h by 2, h plus 4h plus 6 by 2 and h plus 5h by 2. H plus 4h plus 6 by 2 comma h plus 5h upon 2. So which is nothing but what? 5h plus 6 by 2 comma 3h. But h was 2, so therefore it becomes 16 by 2 comma 6, which is 8 comma 6. This is going to be the midpoint. But midpoint lies on the line. It should lie on this line, 3x plus 2y equals to k. So plug in 24 plus 12 should be equals to k. So k equals to 36. That completes this video for day 3. See you in the next video. Bye.